IKEA has released a wave of new products this year. Today, I'm sharing 10 brand new IKEA finds for 2025. And yes, every single one is under $10. From fresh kitchen must-haves to stylish new decor, we're covering it all. Stick around as we explore the best new IKEA treasures for 2025. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so you never miss the latest updates and home inspiration. We're kicking things off with the TROMMA wall clock. The clock style features numbers made from small punched holes, allowing the background to show through. Place a colored sheet of paper behind it, and you'll have a fresh, almost entirely new look. Let your creativity shine. The wall color or paper you choose will create a unique and eye-catching effect through the numbers. Next is the VESKEN cart. Compact enough to fit in even the smallest bathrooms, this trolley still offers ample shelf space for everything from shampoo bottles to soap and other essentials. Its sturdy build and 4 casters make it easy to move wherever you need, and its slim design allows it to fit into tight spaces with ease. The high edges on all sides keep your items secure, while the shelves' drainage holes make it perfect for use in the shower. The MARIUS stackable stool. These stools are stackable, allowing you to store multiple pieces in the same space as one. They're versatile too, perfect as extra seating or even as a plant stand for a large pot. Compact and space-saving, they take up far less room than regular chairs and are easy to move around thanks to their lightweight design. Despite their lightness and budget-friendly price, they're impressively strong and sturdy, and assembly is quick and simple. The next is BAGGMUCK shoe tray. A shoe tray helps protect your floor from dirt, gravel, and moisture, keeping your space cleaner. It's easy to maintain. Simply remove it from under your shoe rack or storage cabinet, wipe it down, and put it back. The raised edges keep water and debris contained, making it especially useful in winter when shoes are wet and can damage hallway carpets. It's also wonderfully versatile, doubling as a plant tray for use in the greenhouse or garden. The next find is PÅDRAG clear glass vase. The PÅDRAG vase is crafted to showcase your bouquets beautifully while keeping them securely in place, yet it's stylish enough to stand alone as a decorative piece. Its round, elegant shape and clean design make it easy to pair with other decor, while the textured pattern adds character and playfully reflects light. The next is IKEA 365 plus insert for food container. Keep your meal components fresh and full of flavor with IKEA 365 plus inserts, designed to separate your main course, sauce, and salad for the best taste and presentation. This set of 3 inserts is ideal for lunch boxes, with one insert featuring a lid, perfect for sauces or dressings. They fit perfectly inside the rectangular IKEA 365 plus food container, and you can use as many or as few inserts as you need. The next is NYSKÖLJD dish drying mat. Handy kitchen accessories make your work easier and keep your countertop neat and dry, just like this versatile drying mat. Use it to instantly create extra drying space for your dishes, or place it under a dish drainer to catch any dripping water. When not in use, simply fold it up or hang it by the loop for easy storage. The next find is FÖRNUFT 20 pieces stainless steel flatware set. Perfect for both everyday dining and special occasions, the simple yet elegant FÖRNUFT 20-piece cutlery set brings a refined touch to any table. Made from durable, easy-to-clean stainless steel, its clean design complements a wide range of table settings. The set includes all the sizes you need, offering great value in a sturdy, well-made product. The next find is FIKONTRÄD double-sided frame. A simple and playful way to showcase photos, drawings, or special memories, this frame features an open-back design, allowing you to display 2 pictures, one on each side. Easily switch out the images whenever you want a fresh look. It's also ideal for practical uses, such as holding menus in a restaurant or displaying opening hours and information at a reception desk. The next find is LUGNARE scented candle in glass. What does home smell like to you? The LUGNARE scented candle blends the delicate aromas of jasmine, pear, ginger, and lily of the valley, creating a romantic, nature-inspired atmosphere reminiscent of country living. Once the candle has burned down, the glass can be reused as a tea light holder or for storing small items. Made with at least 50% plant-based wax, it's a touch of luxury that's both beautiful and thoughtful. That's a wrap for today's new IKEA finds. Did you spot a favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another video. Thanks for watching and staying with me until the very end. See you next time.